Hello everyone, and welcome to zflash.shop. In this video, I will show you how to easily place an order and receive your Flash USDT. First, go to our official website, zflash.shop. You can find the link in our Telegram channel or by typing it in your browser. This is our official homepage. Scroll down and click on the Flash USDT product to get started. Here on the product page, you will first select the quantity you want. For this demo, I will choose 1000 USD. Then, click Buy Now. This is the checkout page. First, confirm your quantity. I'll select 1000 Flash USDT for $55 and click Confirm. Next, scroll down to Contact and type in your email address. This is where we will send your order confirmation. In the Payment section, select your payment method. We will use Oxapay. Then, for delivery details, choose the network for your wallet. I am choosing TRC20. Now, you need to paste your wallet address. I will copy my TRC20 wallet address, and paste it right here in the wallet address field. Once all your details are in, scroll up and click Complete Order. The site will now take you to the secure Oxapay payment page. On the Oxapay screen, you choose the currency you want to pay with. I will select Tether USDT on the BEP20 network. Click Proceed to Payment. Please wait while it creates the invoice. This page gives you the wallet address and the exact amount to send. You can scan the QR code or copy the address to pay from your own wallet, like Binance or Trust Wallet. After your payment is confirmed, you will see this Purchase Complete screen. Your order is now being processed. Now, I will show you the delivery. I am going to open a Blockchain Explorer. Since I used the TRC20 address, I will go to tronscan.org. Here on Tronscan, I will paste the same wallet address I used for my order, and press Search. And as you can see, the 1000 USDT has been delivered to my wallet. The process is complete, fast, and secure. Thank you for choosing zflash.shop.